The latest generation of body-size single circular knitting machine in textile knitting. Machine represents the latest state-of-the-art and thus optimally adapts to the demand for tea. Best product reliability with the highest efficiency thanks to the easily convertible conversion from the body-size single circular knitting machine to textile knitting machine. You can quickly deal with changing production orders. Body-size single circular knitting machine and textile knitting machine application area medical, textile sports and technical textile stitch structure, scarf and headband, children's underwear and face mask.